Are you seeing the name EverBank pop up again and wondering what happened to TIAA Bank? This isn't just a simple name change, it's a new chapter rooted in the past. For years, many knew the bank as TIAA Bank, but recently, that familiar name has reverted back to its previous identity, EverBank. So, what's the big story behind the rebrand and what does it mean for customers? Let's break down the key changes. The most significant factor behind the rebrand is a shift in ownership. TIAA, the retirement and asset management giant, sold its banking unit to a group of private investors. This sale allowed TIAA to refocus on its core business, while the bank itself gained a new, independent path. With this new independence comes the decision to resurrect the EverBank brand, a name well known in the past, especially in the Jacksonville, Florida area, where the bank remains headquartered. The new owners felt the EverBank name, which they say stands for forward-looking optimism, confidence, and trust, better reflects the bank's renewed focus on nationwide consumer and commercial clients. Their new tagline even emphasizes this: EverBank. Advantage, you. So, what about the day-to-day banking experience? For existing clients, the transition was designed to be relatively seamless. Accounts, products, services, and routing numbers largely stayed the same. The main change is the branding, new logos, new website, and even the home of the Jacksonville Jaguars, which is now EverBank Stadium once again. In essence, the change from TIAA Bank to EverBank marks the bank's return to independence under new private ownership, embracing a familiar, legacy brand to pursue national growth and a commitment to high-value products and client service. It's a strategic move that sets the stage for the bank to be a distinct player in the market, no longer a subsidiary of a larger financial conglomerate. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.